Vlogmas day 18. It's a failure. I went way over on points today. But if you'd like to see what I eat on the day, on a bad day, be sure to watch this video. Hi, my name is Patty. Thanks for clicking on my channel, Winning at Weight Loss. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Today was a struggle. I started off bad and I ended bad. And I used a whopping 142 points for the day. Oh my God. But if you'd like to see what happened, come on along and share the day with me. But it's not a good one. And don't eat how I ate today. So I got breakfast to go today. A mushroom omelet with cheese and potatoes and rye toast.
Did you ask for that?
How many points is it? I don't know. A lot. But I will put it on the screen.
Figure out the point.
Today, folks, I'm not feeling it. I'm not feeling like eating. And it started off because I had breakfast out. Well, not out, but I brought it in from outside sources. So I don't feel like cooking and being a good Weight Watcher. So I'm going to Dunkin' Donuts and I'm gonna order a holiday coffee and a donut on the way to the casino. Because that's what I'm gonna do to get away from my eating temptations at home. I'm going out for a few hours, but I'm gonna have a holiday coffee and a donut. So there it is, 6 munchkins. 2 blueberry glaze, 2 chocolate, 2 jelly. Completely against my idea of all or nothing when I give advice and I'm not following it. Because I had a bad breakfast doesn't mean I have to have a bad day, but I am. So here I am, ready to go in the casino. I'm gonna play some poker because that's what I like to do. I could have made that Dunkin' Donuts iced coffee at home. I have peppermint mocha creamer, sugar-free, so I have it here. I can't help sometimes but make bad choices. It's not easy. It's not easy to all the time be perfect on a weight loss program. Sometimes you're just not feeling it. And today, I'm not feeling it. I'm probably going to get carry out on the way home for dinner. I think some fish. So it's not going to be a good day for eating, watching me eat. But I don't want to make excuses. Because excuses are what... Excuses are excuses. It's just a reason that makes your mind feel better to not eat right. I don't know. I would rather have no excuses. Sometimes, I don't know. I was having a conversation with my husband the other day about how much I really like food. I do. I like food. It's always made me happy. I can remember him going out and buying me special goodies or so I would be in a better mood. We used to go out to eat a lot. I think having food is fun. So it's really hard for me to stay on a program and constantly be good. And I shouldn't say good, but constantly to eat the foods that are within your points. I think the people who choose to have one cheat day a week or a no count day, it probably helps so you could look forward to that one day. I know when I was going to Weight Watchers meetings, normally the day I weighed in was the day I would cheat. I would eat more. I would stop on the way home and get a Dunkin' Donuts with regular sugar, regular cream. I wouldn't go overboard, but I think probably that might be a good way to do it. But it is the week before Christmas. 7 days till Christmas Eve, or probably a week when you're watching this video. So it's going to be a tough one to get through every day. A lot of things going on. But I'm not going to use that excuse. I'm going to try to follow my plan of doing the best you can. And if you have a slip up, you always have a new set of points. And that's something I have to remember. This is what a bad night looks like. Fish and shrimp and a roll and fries and coleslaw to go. The ending of a bad day. Don't do what I do today. And besides all that food, I had a peanut butter cup package. Reese's, which was another 20 points, I think. Or maybe it was 10. I don't know. I didn't show a picture of it, but I did track it, so it's in the points. And I ate no lunch today, but I ate a lot of other things. It's really crazy when I put in all those points for the day, how much going out to eat or eating food from a restaurant costs you in points. For example, that breakfast, I could have easily made it at home for 0 points or 1 point with the cheese. Maybe if I wanted to have a piece of rye toast or a piece of regular toast, 4 points max. But no, the restaurant was like 29. The coffee, I could have had my own coffee. Did I make it home? But I didn't. And a donut, did I need 6 munchkins? No, I could have had 1, but I had 6. And those are a lot of points. They're like 2 points each? No, 3 points each. That's a heck of a lot of points. And then I go to Culver's and have that fish dinner. Did I have to get a 3-piece dinner? No. I could have had 1 piece of fish and just a couple fries, but I went for the whole darn thing. I had 3-piece fish dinner, plus I had a couple pieces of shrimp, and I ate it all. And I feel guilty. Is it worth it? No. Did I know what those taste like? Yes. But what's done is done. Back on the wagon tomorrow. So if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And you probably didn't, but oh well. I'm sorry if I'm not very inspiring today. If you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified of every time I upload a new video. Remember, we're here to eat healthy, sometimes get fit, and be well. This is Patty, and I'm winning at weight loss some days. Thanks so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.